Good morning, children. So, last class we have already discussed regarding HTML, invention of HTML, then sections of HTML. So, this is the small example wherein you can see the nested tags also. So, title already been written within head tag, and body tag is been written in HTML tag, and all the tags in HTML should start with HTML and end with the HTML. This is the head section and body section. So this is called as text editor, wherein you are going to write the codings. So here I have written a small example: HTML head, title close, and within that I have written internet. Body, internet is network of networks, close body tag, close HTML tag. So children, I have given a title as internet, and the content is internet is network of networks. After writing in notepad, I have to save the file. So you have to go to file menu, save option, then you have to check which folder you are saving the file, and you have to keep it in mind that all the files in HTML you have to save with the .html extension, that is my page .html. I have given the name, then you have to click on save option. So HTML has .html or .html, that is file extension. All the web pages that you create must be stored in .html or .html formats, so that it will be, the icon will be changed. You can check it out after saving the file here. So children, after saving this file, it will be saved in the particular folder, that particular whichever folder you have selected, it will be stored there. So you can see on the top, that is new folder, and below that my page.html icon. You can see the icon because it is a HTML file. You have to execute the file in the web browser. So this is the web browser, this is the Google Chrome. So when either you can right click on that or else double click on that, so this page will be displayed, that is viewing HTML file in the web browser. So children, on the top you can see internet as a title bar. On the title bar, internet is network of networks, it is being displayed in the body part. So title, I already gave it in the title tag, that is written within head tag. So after that, if you want to view the source code of any website or web page, just you have to right click on that particular web page and you have to click on view source option. Then that particular code will be displayed, whichever written on that particular web browser. So it is being displayed now. Check children. So I have already written the coding, it is being displayed. That is, this is how you can view the source code for that particular web browser. So in the next classes, I'll be teaching you how to write the codings for HTML by using some formatting tags. Okay children, so it will be continued in the next session. Thank you.